Okay, let us take one problem on series RL circuit. So here a circuit containing a resistance of 20 ohm and inductance of 1 Henry. So that should be inductance of 1 Henry in series with a battery of 50 volt. Okay, this is series RL circuit where the resistance connected is 20 ohm, the inductance connected is 1 Henry, and that is connected in series with battery of 50 volt. Okay, you have to calculate the steady current which flows through the circuit. You have to find the steady maximum current that flows through the circuit. Second one, the time constant of the circuit. You have to find out the time constant of the circuit. Third one, if battery is suddenly disconnected, the decay of current is observed. So in this circuit, the battery is suddenly disconnected after reaching the maximum current, then decay of current is observed. Calculate the current at the time equal to the time constant of the circuit. Okay, so after reaching the maximum current, battery is disconnected suddenly. Then what will be the current value at the time equal to the time constant of the circuit? Okay, this is the simple problem. So this is a series RL circuit connected with the battery of a 50 volt. Okay, so let us find one by one. What are the given quantities you write? So given quantities are resistance is given, resistance equal to 20 ohm, that is given. Inductance L is equal to 1 Henry, that is given. Then voltage of the battery V is equal to 50 volt. So three quantities are given. So one by one we'll try to find out. First you have to find the steady current which flows through the circuit. So what is the maximum current that flows through the circuit? You have to find. So maximum current is observed when the inductor stops to oppose the current. Otherwise, when inductor electromagnetic induction stops. Okay, steady means constant current. When variation of current stops, the induced EMF will not be developed there. So therefore, the maximum steady current flows through the circuit when inductance behaves like a short circuit. Okay, when inductance behaves like a short circuit, then maximum steady current flows. What is that maximum steady current? Basically, that is given by I naught is equal to V by R in accordance with the Ohm's law. So when inductor is become short circuit, its resistance is 0. So because of that, the maximum current flowing through the circuit will be equal to battery voltage V divided by value of the resistance R. Okay, so find out the ratio here. So what is the value of V? It is given 50 volt. What is the value of resistance? It is 20 ohm. Substitute. It will be 50 by 20. What will be the value? What will be the value of maximum current then?
2.5.
It is 2.5 ampere. Very good. Okay. So maximum current which is going to flow through the circuit is given by simply V by R, that is equal to 2.5 ampere. So much of current will flow through the circuit when the maximum steady current flows. Okay. Next, we'll find out what is the time constant of the circuit. Okay. So what is the expression for time constant of the circuit in series RL circuit? What is the time constant? What is the formula for time constant in series RL circuit?
T is equal to L by R.
Yes, right. So time constant in the RL circuit is given by T is equal to L by R. Okay. In RC circuit, time constant is given by R into C. Okay. During that time, the current will reach 0.63 times of the maximum current. That we know. Okay. So let us find the time constant of the circuit. So formula is T is equal to L by R. We know that L is given as 1 Henry. Resistance is given as 20 ohm. Okay. Substitute here. So L is 1 Henry. Then resistance is 20 ohm. So what will be the time? What is the time constant of the circuit then? It is 1 by 20. What is the value?
0.05 seconds.
Yes, right. Okay.
5
So
seconds.
yes, right. Good. So time constant of the series RL circuit is observed to be 0.05 seconds. Okay. So this is the time constant of the RC circuit. So two questions we have solved. Then what is the third question asked? If battery is disconnected, the decay of current is observed. Calculate the current at the time equal to time constant of the circuit. Remember, battery is disconnected, then a decay of current or decrease of current is going to be observed. So what is the expression for decrease of current when decay of current takes place? What is the formula? What is the formula for I? Okay, I will see. Okay, if battery is disconnected, the decay of current is observed. Then the current at the time equal to time constant of the circuit. What is the time constant of the circuit? Just you have calculated, that is 0.05 second. At this particular time, what is the current value? Definitely we know that at the time equal to time constant of the circuit, the current falls to 0.37 times of the maximum current. What is the maximum current we have calculated? Maximum current ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2.5 ampere ಬಂದಿದೆ. Just you have solved in the previous slide. So we know that at the time equal to time constant, the current falls to 0.37 times of the maximum current. We know that decay of current ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ time constant of the circuit ಅಷ್ಟೇ time ಅಲ್ಲಿ current ಎಷ್ಟು decrease ಆಗ್ತದೆ, it will decrease to 37% or 0.37 times of the maximum current. What was the maximum current? Is 2.5 ampere. Therefore, at the time t equal to 0.05 second, the current will be 0.37 times I naught. Okay, what is the value of I naught? We know that I naught value is 2.5 ampere. So can you calculate the current at t is equal to 0.05 second? What will be the value?
(0.925 amps).
Yes. So definitely current through the circuit will be 0.925 ampere. Okay. It is very simple, but you should know at the time equal to time constant, the current falls to 0.37 times of the maximum current. ಅದೇ growth of current ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Current is increasing. Current increases to 0.63 times of the maximum current. Note the difference here. Current decay ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 0.37 times of the maximum current ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ time constant ಅಲ್ಲಿ. During the growth of current, the current will increase to 0.63 times of the maximum current. Note the difference between the growth of current and decay of current. So this is the solution for this particular problem.